Hey everyone, it's Carol. I got a new light. It's a neon. I do love neon lights. I do have a few palm trees and a movie theater sign and this. Anyone who walks in my place says, oh, this is a happy place. I just like the atmosphere, and I am like obsessed to fix my atmosphere no matter where I am. When I used to work in an office, I just fixed everything around me. And today, I'm going to show you a few things because I've been having so many medical appointments and tests done. And the first 3 appointments that I had this year, I missed them. I went on the wrong day. I went at the wrong time. I just couldn't keep track. So what I'm doing now is, in fact, my son showed me this. I have an iPhone 12, and when you go swipe to the right, see a calendar right there. That is the iPhone calendar that you use to keep track of everything. And then you put your appointment, and then you put the alerts, and you never miss an appointment again, and you never are late, because this really helps me. Also, I have a at a glance ledger. It's a monthly one. It starts in 2022, but actually it has the month of December in it, and then it goes on to January. And at a glance, which is what I need, just at a glance to look like for my week or my day. And these type of books really help me. I have the book that I use downstairs, and I put it right there where I could see it. And this is going to be starting in December. I'll put a link for you for this. I did a lot of research. I wanted one that opened flat like this, that I could keep open like a monthly calendar. I wanted one that had tabs for the month. Also in the back, there are plenty of pages for notes. And what else? Oh, and then there's 2023 over here. There's phone numbers, future planning, there's dates. It's not a confusing book. It's very easy. You could just keep it open on your table, and you've got your calendar for the month. I swear by these. I always have a ledger. And when I was younger and didn't have much money, I always kept track of every penny that went out of my house. And I would put envelopes, and I'd put $5 here, $20 here, $10 here, and I would write, this is for the bill, this is for food, this is for gas. And I mean, I would just put the envelopes in my pocketbook and go out for the day, and I knew exactly what I could spend. I also wrote it in a ledger and just kept track, because every penny was crucial when you're raising 2 kids and you don't have much money. So it was always helpful to write it down. Now I seem to write down, like if I'm in the middle of a move or something, I go page by page. I write down who I talked to, what the answer was, because when there's too much going on, it's just too much. Too much. What else do I want to tell you? Oh, you all loved my tomato soup recipe, and a lot of you made it. I was so happy to hear that. And I'm going to put at the end of this video my cooking playlist. I made a lot of cute, interesting, quick recipes that you might be interested in. It's worth taking a look at. Don't mind me. I mean, I've been doing videos, I think 7 years. So I was kind of silly in the beginning, and I didn't know what I was doing. I don't know what YouTube was for when I started. It was just such an expression for me. And you know what? I had been sick for so many years, and I couldn't get out the way I wanted. So I felt this was such an outlet for me. And I know a lot of you do too. It's such an outlet. It's a way to communicate with people in the world, and you don't feel so isolated. Oh, I wanted to show you what I've been cleaning my stove. I have this is a kitchen tip. I have an electric stove, which I wish I had my gas stove, but I've grown to like it now. We don't have gas hookups anywhere in the condos. There's 300 condos here. There's no gas hookups, which is fine. I've gotten used to it. I got a real pretty electric stove. I really like it now, and the thing that annoys me is how the glass gets all messy. So this is what I've been doing. I have two solutions. First, I've been using Barkeeper's Friend. You can find these at Ross or TJ Maxx. What I do is I spread it on and I leave it overnight. This is at the end of the night when I'm done cleaning up the kitchen, ready for bed, dishes are done. I put this on, just smear it on and leave it. The next day I go in with one of these scrapers. Now I use a plastic scraper blade. Here is a blue blade, and all you do is put it in. I'll put a link for this below also. You just slide it in. Now you got a pretty sharp edge, but it's only plastic and it's not going to ruin anything, and you could scrape off a lot of the gunk that goes on top of these burners. So there you go. And then you can just cover it. I leave it right by the stove. Now, and these are the blades. They're great. So the other day I was out looking for another one of these because this is empty, so I couldn't find it, and I bought Parker and Bailey cooktop cleaner. Well, I got to tell you, I didn't even leave this overnight. I put it on, scraped off, and everything was clean. So I think this is the winner. I'm going to use it again and double check, but I think this is the winner. It's no streaks, glass ceramic cooktop, gentle, non-scratching formula, cleans, polishes, and shines. So this is my new winner, and this I got for $3.99 at TJ Maxx. Do you know that if you buy from Amazon and you need to return it, it's so easy. This is why Amazon is so popular, because they deliver in one day on Prime, and Prime is a subscription which costs now about $100 for the year, but it's so worth it. You get products delivered in one day, the next morning at your door. And to return, I mean, this is the whole reason why I even get Amazon. Besides that, is you can go to Whole Foods, you can go to an Amazon locker, you can go to Kohl's. When you go to Kohl's, they give you a $5 coupon. I do one return and then I get the coupon. I do another return and get the coupon. So I come out of there with a few coupons. So pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Now, not as cheap as like TJ Maxx or Ross, but there are a lot of good things. Some things are really worth it. I like to buy a $10 item with my $5 coupon, because then I just have to pay $5, you know. Going in there and spending $34 on something, just getting $5 off, is still costing me $20-something. So I like to buy the cheapest thing I could find in the store and get it even cheaper. So that's what I like to do. I know. I also want to tell you that in my last video when I showed the nail polish workout, I just want to tell you that I have been collecting nail polishes since I started YouTube, collecting a lot. I do have a nail playlist. I mean, I think there's just 3 or 4 videos, but I'm going to put that down for you, and in the back also, in the back of the video. There's lots of tips and tricks, which I was watching them last night, and I wanted to see which ones I wanted to put on the playlist. And then I saw a lot of good tips to fix chipped nails and make them look better, and there are a lot of tips. Oh, and by the way, in 2017, one of those videos I did was out the door. I know my friend Bonnie Lemon, She's a subscriber, and she asked me if I've tried Out the Door, because she loves that. And I answered her saying, you know, I don't even remember. And while I was looking through my nail polish videos to make a playlist for you, I found a video that said, I love Out the Door. So I do love Out the Door, Bonnie. And yeah, I'll put that down below for you and at the end of the video. So if there are certain videos that you want to see when you go on somebody's channel, you just, in the search bar, you can just put nail polishes or family videos or hair cutting videos or makeup, or, you know, and they'll all pop up, so it's easy to find. But if you want to check out the playlist, a lot of creators have put playlists, so they're all together for you. So that's it. Today I'm going to get out and run around a little, just go in and out of the stores, and I am going to check my calendar and see what I have planned for the day, what I need to buy, and what I need to do. So I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you being here, and remember, I love you. I am wearing Wet n Wild Lumi, and I love it. It's just like, it's a great foundation. It's not thick, it's not heavy, it's dewy, you don't need your glass spray. It's just a really nice foundation.